Orange Chicken Drumsticks on the Tahoma 900. Let's get it. All right, so we're gonna prep the sauce. To a bowl, we're gonna add orange zest, orange juice, vinegar, soy sauce, chicken stock, and brown sugar. And then you also wanna gradually stir in cornstarch. Give that a whisk, and we're gonna heat up some minced garlic and some ginger paste. Go ahead and pour in the orange sauce mixture. Heat that all up until it thickens up. Now we're gonna prepare the grill for medium-high heat, about 375 degrees. Coat the chicken in avocado oil, season with sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. We're gonna cook the drumsticks. You wanna turn them occasionally until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Once the drumsticks hit 165 degrees, go ahead, glaze them with the orange sauce and return them back on the grill for about 15 minutes or until they reach 175 degrees. After that, ain't nothing left to do besides serve and enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, Orange Chicken Drumsticks.